Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, I don't have to do the normal disclaimer that this is not financial advice, even though it isn't, because I'm just here to show you cool stuff. And man, if I got something cool for you today. 600 million people are using this, and you had no idea. This has built-in AI. WPS is a word processor that not only understands what you wrote, but also what you meant? Are you kidding me? It can help you think, structure your ideas, correct your work without judging you. And it even has the ability to translate what you're writing as you're writing it in real time without messing up the formatting of your document. We have entered the world of science fiction. But it's happening right now. And this thing was not built by Google, Microsoft, or OpenAI. WPS Office is the creator of this. They've been around since 1988, just over 36 years. It has been developing Office software ever since then, present in over 220 countries. I didn't even know there were that many countries that were in the first world that could do that. Most people still really don't know what it's capable of, and we're going to dive in here and play with some stuff on it in just a minute. This is a silent giant that has grown under the radar, and it may just be able to change the way you work. We're going to explore the science and tech behind this little office suite. It is a small revolution that, like many throughout history, has gone unnoticed. Silent little dark horse revolution, and it is here to change the way we study, work, and write. Now, this goes beyond typing up documents or making spreadsheets, although it does those. This is about how artificial intelligence has arrived at our desks, made its way into our daily routines, and into our word processors without even realizing it. Now, this is a fully functional alternative to Office and Acrobat, and it even runs on computers that are over 10 years old. Now, it's also compatible with Microsoft Office and all that, but you are collaborating with the AI in it. This is not just a lightweight copy of Word, it's an all-in-one suite with AI features built right into its core. It has a spell checker that learns your writing style, a parallel translation tool that preserves the formatting. It has an automatic presentation generator, grammar reviewer, a content writer, and even a chatbot for your PDFs. You can literally talk to your PDFs. Now, I don't know how they did it, but they got this into a program that is not larger than 214 megs. Do you have any idea how big Microsoft Office or Acrobat is? This is incredibly optimized engineering and applied science. Now, let's take a look at this software itself. Let's have some fun here. Now, I just told it to write a story. Let's do a new one, though. New doc. Blank. So, start writing with WPS AI. We have options to brainstorm, outline, essay, pro and con list, blog post, social media post, to-do list, creative more, meeting agenda, poem, sales email, press release, job description, recruiting email, newsletter. All of that. You can make things longer or shorter. Let's do a to-do list. Vacation prep. Let's see what it's got here. Generating. You can stop it at any time. It's got all that. Alright, let's adjust it. Let's make it longer. Generating. New bullets, smaller things, more details. Typing faster than I am capable of thinking. That's always nice. Oh, new page. Just Did that automatically. All right, and if for some reason I like the old one better, previous result, and it remembers them all. I can adjust, I can retain. Sure, let's retain that. Now it's locked in there. All right, let's do another new thing. So, I just did an intro to comedy writing, and it created all of this on its own. For an instructional thing, let's choose a template. Oh my. Fun little video game character here. Let's try black technology. And it's creating slides. Comedy writing guide. Create. And there it goes. Wow. Now, it is doing this all on its own. I didn't give it any info or anything. All I said was a comedy writing guide. And I can customize this. Now, I can click Parallel Translate. Loading the document. So it's extracting the text. New features. Okay, so direct language. Let's say Deutsch. And there it is in German. All of that is absolutely instantaneous. Okay, it's hooked into to ChatGPT, but you can choose Google Gemini, AWS Claude, all of that. Here, now we're looking at a budget. Let's edit the data. All of that going on here. Total profit. Pretty decent profit. Let's see. So you plug in all your data, and it will do the spreadsheet for you. Presentation. So one of the things that really impressed me about the presentation was, let's do that again. A slide again. Business. Now, you can either create with AI and it'll do the whole thing for you, or, and you can edit everything as you like, as you need. Now, you can also create from a doc. Just choose your document, and it will turn that document, all of that information, into a spreadsheet like that, or a presentation with slides there for you. I'm looking for an alternative to PowerPoint, but it's a PowerPoint-ish presentation right there. I always hate putting those things together, but I love the information, and it's really helpful for presenting. I'm going to be making use out of this thing pretty soon. And I think you guys are probably going to like it too. So I would say, check it out. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.